Bobby Fischer said, I don't believe in psychology, I believe in good moves. Which I think it's a statement that could be true if you're facing a machine that doesn't have feelings, doesn't have self awareness, is just a calculus, cold blooded killer, right? But when you're playing a human, psychology is absolutely fundamental. I'm not belittling the importance of calculating accurately and thinking as much as you can and clarifying with the light of your mind. That is always the case. But at the same time, humans are not just reasonable beings, they are also emotional beings. It doesn't matter if you try to deny it or if you make an effort, you're even going to become even more emotional. So let's not go against the emotions. Let's just work with them to do what we want. So, chess is absolutely psychological as, I mean, it is emotional as a logical game. So, we as humans, we got to deal with those two departments. This situation, for instance, uh, an international master blundered bigly towards the end of the game. He was facing a grandmaster with the white pieces. Black was with the so the IM is with the blacks, the grandmasters with the whites. Francisco Vallejo Pons. I hope the pronunciation goes okay. And with black is was in 2018 at that time in history was a guy called Jaime Santos Latasa. Again, sorry for mispronunciation. Black resigned here. He just resigned here, Black, because he was thinking that. Sorry, guys, what the heck I get those. He was thinking that actually now he's gonna get into checkmate after king captures, and the white bishop attacks the king, and he only calculated with the king to g8 and then promoting, right? That's what black calculated at that moment. Maybe he was in time crisis. I don't know the details of the meeting of that particular competition, but it's not. Actually, black's winning. He resigned when he was actually winning. That must be incredibly painful, right? So you do take because you are in check and everything else is illegal. And of course, the white king takes on g6, revealing the bishop hitting you. That is true. Now, you mustn't move the king to g8. This is a miscalculation. Actually, you have a very simple move available. But then again, emotions get in the way. So you need to check your emotions too, not just your opponent's king. And the very simple, workable move here, actually the only one that delivers, is rook simply captures. And you mustn't worry about this pawn's promotion. You take the you take the bishop, no more check. Oh, okay. And now the rook keeps an eye on this past white pawn. So they won't be able to make it. When they make it, you're going to actually take. You're just winning. Let them have the pawn. You guys know very well the king and rook versus king. I'm pretty sure. If not, go back to the archive and we can discuss it during the live stream. But I'm sure most of you know, my dear friends. So that was it. You tell me what this is if not psychological. You just tell me what this is. Yeah, it's a blunder, is the generical term. Oh, they did a blunder. Yeah, why? Because it's incredibly emotional, and that's what it is. So, for humans, chess is highly psychological, and it's also logical, of course, and cold reason at work, but also emotions. So, keep your emotions in check, recognize them, acknowledge them. Don't forget to breathe during the chess competition and meditate a bit before the game, after the game, during the game. Just a short gap of meditation, perhaps. Um, and do your best. Thanks for watching this short video, my friends. Subscribe to YouTube, follow me on TikTok if you came via TikTok or other platforms, and see you on the live streams. Thank you. See you soon.